Hi, today we're going to be unboxing my December Enchanted Gypsy box. The box is a little bit beat up this month, so hopefully everything came okay. Still, out of all my boxes, one of the most beautiful packaging. So let's check it out. I've already opened it. Don't tell anyone. Okay. Little baggie here. Cloth bag. Put all sorts of items in it. These came wrapped, obviously, for safety. But I've already opened it once. This is my second time. So this is a magnet. It's pretty. It's like wood or some kind of composite material. I like this hang. It's really pretty. This is a beautiful Opal Light. Really excited about this. I have one of these I got at Chinatown in San Francisco a few years ago. Actually last year on my birthday. But when I went my most recent trip, I didn't have a chance to pick one up, and here it is. So universe delivered. Candle. Really clean scent, if any. It's probably unscented. But I smell a little something. Oh, here's the red Jasper. I got two insert sheets. They're identical, about the same thing. Red Jasper. Just some information on the stone. Restorative Winter Foot Scrub. This Enchanted Gypsy box uses this company B-Spell a lot. It's glass. Smells nice. It is like smells very coconut oil. Smells like coconut oil to me, but that's because it's made out of coconut oil. Also has peppermint and rosemary in there, but I can't smell it. But it's also very cold, so it's solid. So it might smell more fragrant once I have it unwrapped. And this is an oracle deck. Funny story. I have had this deck for at least 15 years. It's my favorite. I use it every single Sabbath, and whenever I have a question. It's a very, very good, beautiful deck. But since I already have it, when I get 100 subscribers, this will be in my giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, this is the box for December. Really nice quality items. I quite enjoy every single item this month. And so some information will be linked. There will be a link in the description box, so you can check out their webpage. This is $39.99 a month. I feel like I definitely got a return on investment this month on the items. It is available for purchase, but I think that you probably will not get the first box until January, because it's pretty late in December. And if you want to get it in January, I believe you have to order it by the end of December to get the January box. Otherwise, you'll be getting the February box. So just keep that in mind if you're very interested. At any rate, please comment if you have any feedback or ideas about boxes I should unbox. Or, as always, please subscribe. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.